kufunika. Naona ni glass.
Anyone. They can come here, they will do it from here. Then this is the sales authority. So they will, for example, you purchase a car. And then you have any queries like, is my car duty paid or not? These guys will guide you. If you bring these cars into the mainland of Kenya, you require the KEBS authority and they will assist us.
So you're giving them an office?
Yes, this is one-stop solution for people who want
to bid on these cars. You go to auction services. You can see that the price has jumped, and this number, this red circle, indicates that you are holding the bid.
Okay.
So if this is going to sell, if the timer...
The bid goes up by 1,000, 2,000?
1,000, yes. And if you press a super bid, you can get it up to 5,000. Yes, you have win with successfully. Yes.
Okay.
Because some of these cars will be transit. So all over the countries from Africa will come to Kenya and buy in shillings.